Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's solve this equation together. We have 3 raised to the power x raised to the power 2 all over 9 raised to the power x is equal to 81. So let's solve this. So the first thing to do is to write solution. Okay, we have 3 raised to the power x raised to the power 2 all over x raised to the power x is equal to 81. Okay, now let's rewrite these numbers with base 3. So we can say that 9 can be written as 3 multiplied by 3, which is going to give us 3 squared. And we can rewrite 81 as 3 multiplied by 3, multiplied by 3 again, and by 3. And that will give us 3 raised to power 4. So now we have 3x, 3 to the power of x to the power of 2 all over 9 is 3 raised to power 2, and we have x, which is equal to 3 to the power of 4. Okay, so the next thing is to multiply this power. So we have 3 to the power of x to the power of 2 all over 3 to the power of 2x is equal to 3 to the power of 4. Let's apply this rule that when you have the same base in division rule of exponents, when you have a to the power of y all over a to the power of x is the same thing as a to the power of y minus x. So notice now that when the bases are the same, the powers would subtract each other. So here we have that we have base 3 and we have base 3. So let this power subtract. So it becomes 3 to the power of x to the power of 2 minus 2x is equal to 3 to the power of 4. Now again, when you have the same basis in this format, the powers are equal. So here is x squared minus 2x is equal to 4. So let's bring this 4 to this other side. So it is x squared minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. This is a proper quadratic equation. So when you have a quadratic equation like this, a to the power of x squared minus bx minus c is equal to 0. Let's make this plus. Okay, is equal to 0. In this equation, our a is what? 1. And our b is minus 2. Our c is minus 4. So using the quadratic formula, you see that x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So our b is negative 2 plus or minus root negative 2 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 4 all over 2 multiplied by 1. So we have minus minus to give us plus, plus or minus root negative 2 squared is positive 4 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 4 is going to give you minus 16. So minus minus is what? Plus all over 2. And that's equal to 2 plus or minus 4 plus 16 is root 20 over 2. Okay, so that is, we can rewrite 20 as 2 plus or minus root 4 multiplied by 5 all over 2. Now we see that our we have 2 plus or minus root 4 multiplied by 5 all over 2, and that can be expressed as the square root of 4 will give us 2 root 5 all over 2. Okay, so this can be written as 2 over 2 plus or minus 2 over 2 root 5 over 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1. So 2 can cancel this. We have 1. That's equal to 1 plus 1 multiplied by root 5 is going to give us root 5. So our final answer is 1 plus or minus root 5 for this equation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you in my next video.